Hello and welcome to the 2021 range of motorhomes from French manufacturer Rapido. This is the 866F. So it says here it's got the German layout, single beds at the back, joinable, and it's also got the option of having an electric bed up front somewhere. This thing here is going to cost in excess of 84,000 euros. And 615 plus 15,000 plus, of which are extras. It's 749 centimeters long, 289 high, width 235. Claims to be able to put it on a 3.5 ton basis, but I haven't got the empty weight, so I don't know. Right, one thing I need to say about prices, incidentally, is that the prices quoted are with value-added tax, purchase tax, which in Germany is currently 16%. It was reduced as a result of the COVID crisis from 19%. Now, prices on the whole, it's difficult to say, because when people say how much does something cost, the answer is, as a general rule, I don't know, because the options and the prices are sort of hidden so much. But the prices naturally have increased. Manufacturing costs have increased due to COVID, due to the unavailability of spare parts, owing to also a certain amount of stocking, and I won't say panic buying, but yeah, I will say panic buying. I mean, that's the reason. If somebody's oh, there's the light off. If somebody is how to put this back on again? Oh, it's a magnet. Isn't that clever? A panic buying by manufacturers stands to reason that they wanted to stock up on equipment. So if Fiat's not manufacturing, then they're going to want to get as many chassis units and fronts on vans as they can. Makes sense. And other companies that might, if you can't buy toilets or windows or tables or something like that. So there's a lot of this type of thing. I think in the circumstances, though, if I were a manufacturer and I realized there was going to be a problem with production, you'd stock up. But stocking up, well, I suppose COVID isn't going to last forever, so that makes it does make a certain amount of sense. But obviously, if you need to stock up, you've got financial costs, and that's going to be reflected in the cost to the consumer. So the prices are the prices in Germany, and you need to take value-added tax into consideration. Alright, well, I just demonstrated the bed, the magnetic light, which fell off, and German layout in the back. Modern kitchen. It's got 2 burners, you can have 3 if you want. It's also got the option, of an oven, which is somewhat British. In the UK, people want ovens. I've noticed in the United States as well, though in the US they tend to want more microwaves. And the question is, how do you power a microwave? And the answer is lithium batteries, plus a good lithium batteries with a good battery management system. Otherwise it's not going to work. And you're going to need a good inverter as well. So the cost of that, so you get a microwave oven, I don't know which it costs, $100 if that, but you're going to need a couple of thousand on the electrical connections to get the thing to work. So Right, well, there's a look around this van. Didn't actually talk much about the van, but I think I've done so many reviews, you've possibly got the vague idea of what's happening here. Show you the insect screen, without which life would not be possible on campsites. Magnificent garage. Got the electrics down the far corner, the inverter, the charger. You've got your fuses there. There's your pump, water pump outside. Shower, or the dog shower. It says here you can take 300 kilos in here. Good. That's a reasonable amount. So that had the German layout there in the back. Let's show you. It's a integrated. I'll see if I can find you another German layout for comparison. Oh, I know where there's one. So we'll walk over there now. You can see what it looks like when no one's in, just about. Oh, there's some of your choices of fabric colour. And now this one is a reasonable comparison. 666F as its garage. And so this is going to cost in excess of 65,000. The rest of it's the same. See what it looks like inside. No, right, I know it hasn't got an oven. That's an option. You can get an oven put in. One thing I do need to point out though is on the quality of Rapido is that I, some time ago, somebody from Rapido, it was the marketing person in fact, who told me, or sent me an email saying that Rapido vans are leisure vans. They are not designed for use long term. So, you know, bearing that in mind, if you're thinking of going away for a month or something, then this may not be the right thing to actually to get. There you go. There's another one here, Ultimate line. It's also a, what do you call it, integrated. The last one we just saw wasn't 91,000 euros, same size. We'll have a look inside.
Ouais, parce que. Ben voilà. Et moi, je veux dire, moi personnellement. Ouais. Oui. Exactement.
Okay, right, so we'll go back to the one I started off with. There's a relatively good comparison. And hey, if only it were like this all the time, I could film a lot. I could film every single van here. Well, possibly. I could make the effort. So well, I'll show you around the other side of the one, just of the star of the show. This one, the star of the video I should say. There we go. Right, so they've got the integrated 866F from Rapido. Hope you found that of interest. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe. All the best in Düsseldorf.